Welcome back to your safe place. So today's episode, this is my first episode. We are going to talk about, it might sting a little, but that's the point because healing doesn't always sound like a soft words or gentle affirmations. Sometimes healing sounds like, I don't care how you were raised. Unlearn that shit. Okay. So let's be honest. We all have habits, beliefs, patterns that came from somewhere. From our families, our culture, or our upbringing. We were shaped by the people who raised us, but that doesn't mean we have to stay shaped that way. You see, that's just how I was raised. Okay, quote and unquote. It's not an excuse for you to be cruel. It's not an excuse for emotional unavailability. It's not an excuse for repeating the same thing that broke you. It's not the same excuse. It's not an excuse for you to cause pain to others. Because yes, maybe your parents didn't know better. Maybe you were just surviving. Maybe they thought they were doing their best, but you have to have awareness. And awareness is a responsibility. Hindi ka puppet ng trauma mo. You're not your childhood's echo. You are not, you are the one who gets to decide what continues and what ends with you. So if you grew up watching love turn into control, then learn to love without caging people. If you were taught that silence keeps peace, learn to speak even if your voice shakes. If you were raised to believe vulnerability is weakness, unlearn that too. Because it's not. It's strength, it's courage, it's evolution. It takes guts to say, my parents were strong about this. It takes maturity to say, I don't want to repeat the same patterns. It takes heart to admit, I can be better and I will be better. And I know it's hard because sometimes unlearning feels like betrayal. Like you're betraying your roots, your family, your culture, but what you're really doing is breaking the generational curses that no one else had the courage to face. So don't let nostalgia romanticize dysfunction. Don't let loyalty keep you stuck in a cycle of pain. You can love where you came from and still choose or refuse to repeat it. Healing isn't about blaming, it's about choosing. Choosing to stop handing your trauma down like an inheritance. Choosing to stop saying, that's just how I am. No, that's how you were taught to be. Now, who do you choose to be? So here's your reminder. You don't owe anyone the right to keep you broken. You don't owe your past the power to define you. And you definitely don't owe your pain the privilege of staying. Unlearn the shouting, unlearn the pride, unlearn the coldness, unlearn the silence. Because growth starts the moment you say, I don't care how I was raised. I am raising myself differently now. So this is your safe place. If no one has told you today, I'm proud of you of choosing to unlearn. So see you next episode. Bye.